Okay, I'm back. It just crash. I think it's because I have too many unified things. Uh, Test. No test. We have lab is there. Everything's there. It should work. Working.
Kevin, that Mehendis says working.
Working. Now, last one. Unified color fill. Anyone. And then move this. Fill. Did fill. I need to select the mask. Fill. Foreground color. B. There we go. Try to make the same average gap around. Now, pick this color. Bring it there. And it's done. There we go. Fast logo. Took an hour. No, I don't know how long it was. I will bring back this back up. Back up. It seems to be darker. Normal, linear burn. Which one is the best? Linear burn seems to be the best. Burn. Okay, now that is done, you can do some like post-process stuff. Like let's make a folder. Post-process, which you can Control A to select everything, Control C, Control V, and then you could like I don't like. There's yeah. Before that, I would just move it on the side a bit. Everything. Let's can I do the group canvas, something like that? Can I move everything at once without issues? No. There we go. So this one is not completely cleaned. Alt delete. Save. So it's better. V. Control. What is selection? M. V. Control click. Something like that. It feels better. Like post process, select all, Control A, Control Shift C, Control V. Now you could do like this and flip just to see if it's wrong. Here the logo should be maybe closer, but it's fine. It's some kind of fine. I see the sphere are all wobbly, but that's fine. Let's do process stuff. Let's duplicate this. One of my favorite is the curve. effect or curves here. Then you pull that up, pull that out, remove those. Okay. Now you have curve, you have RGB, you have preset, custom preset, default. I don't know what is custom. Nothing is really different. Can use a sprite, a sketch. Sketch will do this. As you can see, it can be cool. I prefer having control with the spline. Spline would be like very, very in control. And you just go with the fields. I would say like what can be cool is to make a very extreme change. That's weird rather than anything like a fog or something foggy. Like that. Even changing the color is even better. And but still color that are cool, that are not too weird. So, and then you go back to your layer, and on the mask, you pick the brush, you remove, lower the opacity, and the hardness, make it large, and then you paint out to return back to where it was. And now it gives you this effect. And even more, you could look as you go, make it smaller and go on the objects like that on the logo. And even smaller, too much. But pump up the opacity and you go a real clean shot. And you do the opposite. You reverse the white and black and white. And now you do the opposite on the other side to bring back your layer. Now I would do the shadow of this face. Shadow here. And you can go back to the curves and just play a bit more with it. Default. Oops. Did it break everything? Yes. Don't go to default, go to RGB, and then you can make it even more intense. Yeah. And go for each color, not just the red. green and blue. Okay. Um, Returning to the layers. Now I want to go back to this and just finish up. Want to bring back some here. And you can use the, when you see it's a bit smudgy, to solve that you can make your brush a bit larger. And do the opposite, switch the color, the shading. People would say like black and white is not a color. The shade. Um, what else? You could select the logo if you want, because shift, control shift click, then go to your thing and just do the logo. Same for the character. I did a sloppy job there. I could have done this instead. Could have been better. Now just the top, and you can do the bottom. Now let's do the character too. Which one is it? There. The shroom. Control shift. And select inverse, or just do the background. You can separate the background from the rest by selecting everything, like the logo, the spheres, the line. The line is harder. It's not. Yeah, it's not. It's not. I don't think we can do the lines, but that's fine. Let's go back to above. Let's do. Okay, select inverse. Select inverse. Now we can just do the background. Let's say we want a bit more like this, cleaner, and whatever you want. Maybe you still want like the center whiter. That's probably a shortcut for the switch here. If you bring your cursor, oh, it does not say. In Photoshop there is one. Oh, I think you can create it. Not dark enough for me. Yeah, no, it won't do. And now it's too much. Just want to make it more consistent. There we go. There's other post process you could do above, like Control A, Control C, Control V. The other one are those are cool to play with. You just go and check one that speak to you. One that ruins a bit the picture, but it's not that bad. Something like that. You can even lower the opacity a bit, and you do the same. You can even like pick the same work you did and redo it, and then you can hide just to see the difference. And a trick is to look at it from afar because people wait. This is what attracts the eyes is when you work from that distance. I feel like now this is too much on especially where the shroom is. It's there's a disequilibrium. So I will lower the opacity and it's this just like that. As you can see, it feels better, a bit better, more equilibrated, more equal, just like that. Okay, that's it for this. I might come back for the next for the stream, the real stream, game development stream now. Uh, but I need a new one for the next episode later. I might do it offline though. So that's it for this short series. Bye bye.